Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I install my lace wigs behind my hairline for more of a natural look. So first things first, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So I'm starting off with this bob. I had this bob for a little bit now. I was actually going to do a quick weave, but then I remembered that I had this unit. So I decided to do my install behind my hairline for more of a natural look instead of having to do an entire quick weave. So I'm just putting the hair on, and I did leave some hair out already around my hairline, the hair that I think is necessary to cover that lace. I am doing a side kind of part, like flip over type of style. So I'm just leaving out the hair on this one side, not the other side. But you can either sew down your wig or you can use some spray type of adhesive. That's what I'm using today. I'm not gonna try and wear this wig for long. So I'm just using some spray adhesive. But if you wanted to wear your hair for a while, definitely sew it down. And you can actually sew the lace down too. I know some people were saying that they, every time they style their hair like this, that it slides back easily. I never have that issue, so I'm not really sure what the difference is in the install, but I definitely use the combs that come along with your wig. And when I have sewn my wig down in the past, I sew all the way up to where I want the part. So the wig does not move at all. I'll probably show you guys that next time in another video. But for now, all I did was use that spray adhesive, and then I did put the wig band on like you see. Now I'm just gonna style my edges. This is super easy to do, and it's such a natural look and quick and easy. So like I said, I originally was going to do a quick weave, but like I said, I wasn't looking for longevity with the style. I really just wanted a bob. I had seen a couple of people with cute little bobs, so I'm like, let me do one too. And this was super quick, super easy. And again, you can use any of your wigs that you might have with this style. So I love a natural look. This is definitely a great alternative, especially if you want something natural looking, but you don't want much leave out. Now, I feel like I kind of left a lot of hair out. Even though I just did the one side, you can still not leave as much hair out. You just have to use kind of like a spray. I've done this as well on another wig. I guess I should just show you guys what I'm saying, but on a separate wig, I've sprayed the lace with a black spray to blend in with my hair, so I didn't have to leave too much hair out. But again, super easy. It's something that I feel like everybody should try just to kind of revamp their older wigs. This is definitely inexpensive. You wouldn't have to go and get new bundles or go and get your hair installed if you're not like great with lace or anything like that. So definitely something to try. I love a good, innovative, quick style that's not going to cost you any additional money. So like I said, I've had this wig for a while, so I'm just kind of styling it now. The install is pretty much done. I've made my blend, but now I'm just styling and we're good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it. Let me know some tips and tricks that you guys do to get more of a natural look with your wigs or bundles, you know, whatever. But again, thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to like this video if you like it, of course, and subscribe to the channel for more.
Girl, if you drop top, put the lollipop at the light, bust what about the girl in the drop top, 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 top? Baby, what about the girl in the drop top with the lollipop, the light, the bus stop?